morning. Welcome to the MacArthur Suite.
Thank you, sir. We'll take a quick walk through here of the reconstructed suite, as all of this hotel was essentially destroyed down to the studs of the lobby when it was retaken from the Japanese. MacArthur occupied this suite in the 30s when he was engaged as the field marshal of the Philippine Army of armed forces, I think all of them, in order to rebuild the military of the Philippines. He lived here for many years with his wife and his son until he fled to Corregidor once the Japanese were closing in on this part of Manila. He later returned once Manila was retaken, and the story is he led the attack to recapture his beloved hotel suite and hotel. Whether that's true or not, I don't know. These are replicas of his decorations, donated by his late wife, his office, the famous portrait by the Philippine national artist Solo. But the Japanese, before abandoning the position, set fire to the hotel, including the suite, and left, as MacArthur said to him, only ashes. Here's the sitting room, the master bedroom. Beautiful views everywhere. Apparently he had the run of the entire 5th floor of the hotel while he was here. Here's the large bathroom. The hotel charges 400,000 pesos a night for a stay here, which includes a 24-hour butler. That translates to about $5,000 or so, a little over $5,000 a night. According to the kind gentleman you saw at the beginning who introduced himself in the suite at the beginning of this video, the suite is not often used. Primarily, it's maintained as an attraction for guests of the hotel. And there's also a small museum regarding the history of the hotel and MacArthur down in the lobby. That's going to be the next stop. Hope you enjoyed it.